Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by RPG Show, and these are the lovely items you'll receive when you receive your unit. Oh, I smell this unit, it smells so good. Okay guys, so look at how beautiful the color is on this unit. I'm gonna get into that in a minute, but first I want to let you guys see the cap construction as well. There's the typical combs on the side and an adjustable elastic band. Really quickly, here's a 360 of the unit straight out the box. As you can see, it did already come curled, and it also comes pre-plucked. This is what the hairline will look like once you get it. So once I tried this on, this is what the hairline looks like on me. Of course, I'm dark skinned, so if you are lighter, your unit will appear slightly more plucked than mine. So I did contemplate whether or not I was going to do a ball cap install for this unit, but I really don't have the patience to deal with the ball cap on a day-to-day basis. So I decided to do a regular install, but first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you slick down the sides. So I had to be sure to tame those BDBs so that they don't get in the way and show up underneath my lace. Next, I'm going to use my 1-2 combination of the Even New York hairspray. This works heavenly. It works almost as good as glue in my opinion when used together. And what I'm doing for this install is I want to make sure that I pull the lace down really tight so that it makes sure it's going to give me kind of that like snatched look that the glue usually gives you. It kind of snatched the eyes back a little bit, and if you pull the lace down on the side, it's going to give you that same type of laid effect. I'm going to comb the hair through the unit and while pressing it down on the lace, and that's just going to kind of melt the lace with my skin. Real quickly before I cut this unit, I didn't mention their lace. Now, RPG Show is a premium unit, so they do have this tinted transparent lace, which I absolutely love. It's a lot more versatile than the typical transparent lace, and it blends with most complexions. So after I cut the lace, I'm just taking my damp rag just to damply wipe any of the excess spray that may have gotten on my skin. And next I'm gonna proceed with the melting of the hair. So now when you want that really sleek look, you want to make sure that you use a wax stick. Of course, you guys know I use my Faithfully Aged Beauty wax stick faithfully. And it's kind of clunky in this video because I'm at the very end of this particular wax stick and I want to get every little bit of it. So, you know, like I kind of like dug up some of the wax because I'm gonna get every little bit of that wax and put it on this hair. Okay, and after I lay it down with the hot comb, you can see how nice and sleek the hair looks coming off of my skin, and it gives that nice freshly pressed look. Okay, you're gonna tie the hair down for you know, 5 or 10 minutes. And quickly, I did not show you guys the part in space on this unit. Okay, so you are going to get 6 inches of part in space on this unit. So you could get 6 inches if you part it down the middle. You're also going to get a nice amount of part in space if you do it on the side. So today I decided to opt for my side part. I've been giving you guys a lot of installs with the middle part lately, but you guys know I'm the queen of side parts, and side parts is just really my thing. I'm just going to also show you how versatile this unit is as far as the color. It's made for a middle part, but it can also be styled as a side part as well. And once I'm finished, I'm just kind of combing through these curls as they have been sitting in the box. And guys, I didn't know what the back of this hair looked like, but looking at it right now, it looks really good. So these are the curls straight out the box, and this is what it looks like in the back. Now, I didn't really want to do any type of baby hairs for this particular look because the lace is so good and I just kind of wanted that fresh, no baby hair look. So I am going to do a sideburn and I am cutting little baby hairs. You guys know how I do. It's not really baby hairs, but it's little strands. These are like natural strands that people, in my opinion, everybody naturally has like little strands along their hairline. So when I don't do the baby hair look and I go for a natural no baby hair look, I do like to add those little strands and I lay it down with some mousse. And that just to me gives like a more natural no baby hair look, if you guys get what I mean. And I'm just kind of cleaning it up with the hot comb, making sure everything is nice and neat. And then I'm going to proceed and add back the foundation to my forehead. And I'm really trying not to get any of the foundation on my lace, because once I do add the foundation on my lace, then when I wear the wig without makeup, you could kind of see the difference because it's the foundation color on the lace as opposed to the transparency of the lace with my skin. However, I did get a little bit on the front, so I'm just gonna have to deal with that. And I am going to add some of my concealer powder to the part in space just to clean that up a little bit. Once I'm done with that, I decided just to kind of re-curl that one curl in the front because it was kind of acting a little lame. And I did add some sheen and some hairspray just to kind of hold the curls in place. Guys, I do want to take the time and let you guys see the coloring on this unit. Now, one thing I will say, RPG Show is a premium unit and it comes with premium pricing. So it's not for everybody, but the people who get it, okay? They actually send their units to real hairstylists to color their units. So it is worth their premium price. You're not going to get that mass-produced colored unit that most of these hair vendors give you. Their colors, as I mentioned, are done professionally, and you could see the different layers of the colors. It's the light blonde, it has some of this like brownish auburn color, and then it has some more of the blonde on the bottom and the black. So it's a nice blend of color. They all blend and mesh perfectly together, and it's just giving me everything. It's doing everything it's supposed to do, okay? So I did go ahead and try to style this unit in different ways. You can wear it down. I did pin it to the back a little bit to go for a different look and leave some of the hair down on the back as well. You could wear it in the middle part if you want to. You can wear it not curled and as a straight bob. You can also wear it like with loose curls as well. There's so many ways you can style this unit. Very versatile, and it's colored professionally, so it's going to flow whichever way you style it. Now, if you did want to wear this hair as a bob, it is 14 inches in length, and the density of this unit is 200%. So guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, everything is going to be linked in the description box down below. But as always, guys, we can't get out of here until y'all help me name this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, be sure and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And it's always important, you guys stay blessed, and I'll catch you in my next video.